Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Release the 3 retention clips that secure the top edge of the front bezel to the chassis. At an angle, slide the tabs on the bottom edge of the front bezel out of the cutouts in the chassis. Disconnect the lighting module cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the front bezel. Replacement. Connect the lighting module cable into the connector on the motherboard. Tow the tabs on the bottom edge of the front bezel into the cutouts in the chassis. Press in on the top edge of the front bezel to snap the retention clips into place.